COVID-19 does not care who you are, black or white, man or woman, Democrat or Republican, and we've seen its effects here in our community this last year and a half. Our local pastors have also witnessed it firsthand, from members of their congregations to their own families. So a group of them have teamed up with UMC to encourage folks to still get the shot. KLBK's Brenda Lipinski is here with more on their message. Brenda?
The Lubbock area Interdenominational Ministerial Alliance has been working with medical professionals since the start of the pandemic for guidance, knowing some of the public may be skeptical and even fearful of getting the vaccine. They're hoping that their stories will help motivate people to get fully vaccinated. This Christmas will be a little different for Pastor Michael White of Pilgrim Baptist Church.
They've already lost mom. They don't need to lose dad too. And I don't want to lose any of them.
His wife Ty died back in September after losing her life to COVID. She was unvaccinated.
It was terrible to see your wife go into the hospital, not being able to breathe, and at first just receiving oxygen and go all the way down to a ventilator, and then then nothing. So
he and 8 other local pastors are also sharing their experiences, hoping it'll push people to get vaccinated.
I was vaccinated because I was concerned about myself, my family.
I choose to trust science.
Pastor Corey Powell says almost his whole family got COVID after attending a funeral that was not COVID related.
A total of 10 members of my family contracted the virus during that weekend, and had an uncle who was hospitalized for 2 weeks and then spent another 78 days or so in rehab. And so seeing firsthand and knowing that you had something in your body that unfortunately others passed from, and knowing the impact it had on me, I don't want anybody else to go through that.
And they're okay with sounding like broken records, because to them, it's a matter of life and death.
I know it'll sound redundant, but it's simply this. If you want to be around for your family, if you don't want your family to go through the pain and the loss that mine has gone through, get vaccinated. And at least you have a fighting chance.
If you'd like to get the vaccine or the booster shot, the City Health Department will be open tomorrow at the Caprock Center with extended hours off of 50th in Boston. That's from 10 to 6. They'll also be open this Saturday from 10 to 2.